Good morning, good morning, good morning, scrappers, scrapettes, and my little scrapeteers. We're out here, the sun just came up, so I'm out here. And this is our first stop. One first night stop. We'll get that, don't you worry. We won't leave it on the ground. And I have a couple of things already on Old Betty. I have no idea what happened there, but my neighbor gave it to me. So, we took it. Alright, we gotta get it out of here anyway. So, we'll put it back. There we go. Let's just put it in here for right now. And then we'll fix it. We'll fix it as we go along. There we go. Let's get all this stuff back in here. There we go. Whoa, hold on. We got one more. All right, so let's continue our journey. Let's go see what else is out there. Bright and early. All right, we got our, what is this here? I don't know. All right, let's fix this real quick. Okay, come on, without falling. Wait. There we go. Come on, baby. Oh, no wonder. That's not happening. Not that way. Come on. There we go. Yes, this is what we have to go through. Keep everything organized so it can fit. Whatever comes into this, into your truck, man, whatever. You always got to do this. All right. There we go. And the chair. Right there. All right, yes, all right. We'll put that right there. How is that? That looks good to me. All right, let's tie this down. Yeah, before I go back into Betty, he took it apart, I guess. But, I don't know. This is the main part of it right here, so why he didn't take that apart, I don't know. Maybe he ran into some issues. I hope he didn't let the Freon out just like that. But I guess. All right, let's roll. Wait a minute, we got a couple of more pieces. That's plastic. Got a couple of more pieces. There we go. Yes, we did. Let's put it right in here. we go. All right, let's continue. All right, we got a quick fan here. Somebody started to take it apart. There we go. Wow, that was loud. I didn't think it was that loud. Somebody's behind me. I guess so. Let's go. Chair. Metal chair. So we'll take them as long as they have a lot of metal on them. Let's put this down here. Oh wait, something else. Oh, they tied this up so hard. All right, let's take it off. How's that? Yeah, we'll take it off. Oh, whatever it is. Feels like toaster oven or whatever it is, but oh yeah, it is heavy. We'll take it. Don't matter. And this, we'll fix it up there. Let's continue for right now. All right, let's stop for a minute or two here. These are just boxes. Electrical boxes with keys. So, nothing in them. Nothing in them. All right, but I did take the fan apart. So we'll throw that in the recycling as soon as we get to somewhere. So I'm gonna organize this for right now and continue. All right, we got a couple of pieces of metal here. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. We gotta take that apart. Take that apart. Whoa, that's heavy stuff. Oof. That's a heavy chair. We'll leave it right there for right now. Let's keep rolling. All right, boss man, thank you. Have a good one. Here. This one is metal. They're usually aluminum, but this one is metal, definitely. Oh, let's not step in that muck. Just leave it right there. Oof. It's been raining for like 2 or 3 days, so it's mucky. Let's go. All right, let's organize a little bit because we got some kind of bench, like a squatter. I don't know what that is. I think it's to do pull-ups, not push-up, pull-ups. So we gotta organize this stuff. All right, that's good right there. And that's gonna be good right there. With this, right in here. There we go. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can make this go all the way across. Okay. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, it should go all the way across. There you go. That's not going anywhere. Oh, and yeah, that's fine. That's not, none of that's going anywhere. Let's get our pull up. Hey, not bad. Don't look broken. Okay, right there. Yeah. It's pull-ups. Not pull-ups, sit-ups. That's for sit-ups. That we're gonna keep. We gotta lose this belly. All right, let's go. No, it's not. It's a flower pot. Oops. That really did fool me. All right, we got flat down. We got 2 chairs over there. Let's pick this up. And we're gonna drop this off at the house. Two more chairs. Free. My favorite 4-letter word. Let's go. All right, well, I think the fun is over. It's raining, and it's raining hard, and it's dark everywhere. So I don't know. Let's start working our way home. We got some stuff that we got to do. So we'll see you in a little bit. If not, then let's see what we do. Okay, so our friend here at the other storage asked us if we can come pick this up. First of all, let's see if we can get it up on Betty. That's number one. Oh. Oof. Oof. Oh my goodness. Oh. There we go. Well, we got it on her. Let's see how much more we can get in there. Let's see here. Ugh. Oh. Oh, it's gonna spread open. It's gonna spread open on us. Yes, it is. That's the last thing we wanted. Let's get this out of here. No. Oh my goodness. La 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 la. Oof. Yeah, we're gonna get it. I see how it's gonna go in here. Come on, let me go. All right, hold on, let me take this chair out of the way. All right, we're ready for round 2. Come on. There we go. It's in now. There you go. That's as good as it's gonna get. Oof. Wow. Should have had what? My Wheaties. There we go. And the 2 chairs. Come on, baby. There we go. Let's tie all this down. All right, let's finish tying this down. We're gonna have to go to the scrapyard because I can't have this on Betty. I can't have all this stuff on Betty, so we're gonna go to the scrapyard now. I got a call anyway. I gotta go to the mobile home park and pick up some more of those triangle stuff. There we go. That's nice and tight. There we go. That's not gonna go anywhere. So yeah, not much today, but at least we got plenty on old Betty. Enough for a scrapyard run. Let's go get it done. All right, we are here. All right, let's see. I hope it's not too swampy back there. The sun came back out, but you never know. So let's see what we weigh in. Let's see here. 38. 38 it is. 37.80. Give or take. All right, let's get old Betty unloaded. All right, let's unload old Betty. Let's let him get that. Hold on just a minute. There you go. Let's get the rest of it out of here. Oh. Well, the rain spoiled our day, but chair. Let's get the chair out of here. thinking of doing something with those boxes, but I really don't need them. So it is warm out here. What's up, boss man? Oh. All right. Put this back in there. Put this back in there. And we are done. But old Betty weighs out. Like I said, I gotta go pick up some of those triangles tomorrow and some other stuff. So I'll put it together with this because this is a short video. The rain stopped us, and it's too late now to do anything. So looks like 3,500, yeah, about 350 pounds, maybe that. All right, thank you. All right, let's roll. All right, so we came in 3780, left at 3480. Yeah, like I said, 300 pounds at 625, 1875. 75, 18. Hey, you know what? It covered the gas for at least almost a week. So it covers the gas for almost a week. Not bad at all. I spent about $25. So again, thank you. Thank you for everything. Treasure Coast Scrapper. Have a great day.